Hello peeps. I am the new voice of this channel. Call me Peril. Would you like me to burn your bowls? I would be very happy to. No? Fine. I'll just yell at them instead. Today, I will be showing you how to hide apps on your Samsung Galaxy A10 or A10e. This may also work on many other devices. If you like the video, remember to like and subscribe for more. First, go to your apps screen, click the three dots at the top right, and choose Home Screen Settings. Now, scroll down, and click the self-explanatory button, Hide Apps. Here, you will be given a library of every single user app you have installed on your mobile device. Scroll through until you find the application you would like to hide. Click it. It should appear at the top of your screen with any other apps you have hidden. Click Apply, then go back to your apps screen. The application will be hidden. To unhide the app, do the following. Click the three dots at the top right of your apps screen. Choose Home Screen Settings. Scroll down to Hide Apps and click it. Scroll down to your hidden app and click it again, or click the minus button on the app icon that is shown at the top of your screen. The app will be back. If your app was previously in a folder, it will not put itself back in it. Now, I will explain how to access the application without unhiding it. The most efficient way is to use the Finder. On most devices, this can be found in your notification panel, or at the top of your app's screen. When you access the Finder, type the name of your application. Its icon should appear. If you click it, the app should open. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, like the video and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to stay alert for any more videos. If you have any questions, suggestions, requests, or any comments, feel free to comment down below. Bye bye fellows. Enjoy the rest of your day or night. Stay gold. Stay great. Stay gorgeous.